Hello students, welcome to Jadesar Plus 2 Science Residential College. Today we will discuss on a very interesting topic in information technology, that is communication. So first come to know what do you mean by the communication. So what the word communication indicates. Okay. So actually the word communication is derived from the Latin word, that meaning is to share. To share. To share the informations, that is what, or to transform the informations from one place or one person or group to another. Okay, and every communication involves at least one sender and a message and a recipient. These three components are very important. Other components are also there, but for a effective communication these things are mainly required. That is, the sender must be there who sends the data or information or the message, that is the data itself, and the recipient who receives the data. Mainly गोटे communication ପାଇଁ तीनटा मेन कंपोनेंट तुमर दरकार. गोटे है सेंडर जे डाटाटा को सेंड करे, अनदर इज रिसीवर जे डाटाटा को रिसीव करे, एंड द डाटा इटसेल्फ, एंड अनदर मीडियम इज देयर. In later we will discuss in details. So every communication involves at least one sender and a message and a recipient. Okay. Next come to what is the importance of communication. So, or what is the need of communications. So actually the communication is important management functions that is closely associated with all other managerial functions, and it bridges the gap between the individuals and a group through the flow of information and understanding between them. So that is the main need of or main motto of communication. Communication आमर कौन पाई दरकार एक्चुअली. सो तुमर जे ब्रिजटा को ब्रिजर गैपटा को कमेवा पाई और इफेक्टिव करिवा पाई बिटवीन द पर्सन टू पर्सन और ग्रुप टू ग्रुप और प्लेस टू प्लेस ऑब्जेक्ट टू ऑब्जेक्ट पाई आमर कम्युनिकेशनटा निहाती दरकार. So now let us discuss what are the different types of communications. So types of communications. So basically many types of communications are there, but basically there are four types of communications. That is, first is spoken or verbal communications. Verbally, whatever the communication occurs through verbally, that is indicates what, verbal communication or spoken communications. That includes face to face, telephone or mobile, रेडियो और टेलीविजन और अदर मीडिया. जो कम्युनिकेशन टा आम वर्बली दे था कम्युनिकेशन कर था. सपोज मु हाय कहली तुम हेलो कहल. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, फ्रंट टू फ्रंट जदि अच्छे दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्पोकन कम्युनिकेशंस. ओके, और वर्बल कम्युनिकेशंस. नेक्स्ट अनदर कम्युनिकेशन इज द नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. नॉन वर्बल communications. So non-verbal communication means what? That communication covering body language, gestures, okay, and how we dress or act, where we stand, and even our stand. Okay, and there are many subtle ways that we communicate with each others. Okay, किछु गोटे gestures करके, suppose मु एमती किछि without any sound, that means what, मु तुमको हाय कहूँ कि हेलो कहूँ, एटा हूँ गेस्चर कम्युनिकेशन. दैट इज कॉल्ड द नॉन वर्बल. मीन्स विदाउट एनी साउंड यदि आम किसी कम्युनिकेट कर तो मुझे एमती करुँ माने तुम्हें जानल जे कौन सार आमको हाय कि हेलो कहते, तुम्हें भी सेमती एमती एमती कर कि तुम्हें एमती कर नमस्कार कर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द गेस्चर कम्युनिकेशन. तमें कि तुम्हें यदि एमती नमस्कार कल मुझे जानली जे हाँ मो स्टूडेंट मत किए नमस्कार करूँ नमस्कार करी. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड माने सिम्बोलिकली जब आम किसी कम्युनिकेशन कर, दैट इज कॉल्ड द non-verbal communications without any sounds, right? And another communication is what? written communications. जो communication टा through written हुए कौनटा letters हो, emails, social media, books, magazines, the internet and other medias. And today we we means and today we can all write and polish our ideas through onlines, which have led to an explosion of informations and communication possibilities. What about the communication through writtens? It may be a books, through magazines, through internet, emails, or letter lekhi jodi ame bhitar communication lei paruchi. So that is called the written communications. Okay. Next, visualization. Okay, that is the visualization communications. So visualization means what? That is in terms of graphs and charts, okay, maps or logos or other visualization can all communicate messages. Okay, किछु गोटे visualization करके जदि हम communication जेमति run rate क्रिकेट देखुछ run rate देखे देला ताले तुमे जानचो कोन के winning position ल अछि से ग्राफ देखि कि तुमे जान परिबो एटलिस्ट. ओके, किबा पॉपुलेशन किबा जे वोट काउंटिंग होची सेतले एतिकी परसेंटेज एई एरिया रु अछि. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द visualization, means through graphs or through images or through logo यदि किछि टाइप रे तुमे communicate करि परछो through each other, then that type of communications are known as visualization. So these are all types of what? Formal communications. Okay, next come to the main topic, that is what? Data communication. Very simple. Say if the data is communicating between the sender and receiver, that type of communication is known as your data communication. Very simple. So next come to our important topic, that is what? Data communication. Data communications. Okay, so what is data communications? So data communication refers to the exchange of data between the source and a receiver via form of transmission media such as a wire cable. Data communication means data ta jiba pai gote amara medium darkar. So that is called the media, transmission media. So data communication means, very simple way you can define, the transformation of data from the source to what? Destinations, or from the sender to receiver through a transmission media. So transmission media is must. So transmission media either wired or wireless. Later we will discuss what are the different types of wired communications transmission medium and wireless communication transmission medium. And data can exist in a variety of forms such as numbers, text, bits and bytes. This data may be in the form of text or in the form of bits or in the form of bytes, in this way. Okay, so data may be in the form of bits, text or numbers or bytes, numbers also, okay, or numbers also, right? And the term data used to describe the information under whatever form of words you will be using. Okay, the data will be converted. First, information. Actually, two types of data are used in the what means in the communications. That is what? Either analog data or digital data. Later we will discuss. Okay, what are the different types of data? Analog to digital and digital to analog. Right. So these are the different types of data. Okay. Then we will discuss components of data communication system. That is also an important topic in an area, that is components of data communication system. As previously I had told, what mainly what for an effective communication, three things are mainly required, that is what? Sender, receiver and the message. But for the data communications, what are the things are required? That is what? First is message. Message means what? The message that to be sent. Okay, and it is the information or data that to be communicated, and it can consist of either text, numbers, pictures, sounds, video or any combinations of these. Okay, so message means what? The actual data that is to be sent from sender to receiver, right? Then come to your sender. Okay, sender. Sender means what? Who sends the data, right? So it is the device or computer that generates or the sends that message. Okay, so who send the message to the receiver, that component is known as your sender. Then 3, receiver. So who is the receiver? So it is the device, okay, and or it is the device or computer that receives the message. Very simple. Who receives the message, that component is known as what? Receiver. And receiver may be a device or a computer. And the location of receiver computer is generally different from the sender computer. And the distance between sender and receiver depends on the types of network used in between. Okay, what type of networks are used in between? Later we will discuss different types of networks, whether LAN, MAN, PAN, WAN. Okay, so different types of networks are there, and that depends on the distance between the sender and receiver. Okay, and next important component, that is what? Medium. Medium means what? The transmission medium. It is the channel or physical path through which the message is carried from sender to receiver, and the medium can be wired or wireless. In the last means just before I told you, माने either wire देकी जाई परियो message टा नले wireless देकी जाई परियो. जदि wire देकी जाउची ताले हमें परे आसीबा. wire भितरे आसी तुमरा कोन? wire भितरे आसी different types of cable, coaxial cable, okay, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable. Okay, so many cables are there, and wireless re microwave transmission, satellite transmission, radio wave transmissions, so different transmissions we can use. Okay, then fifth one is protocol. This is the main component in the data communications. So protocol means what? It is the set of rules that govern the communication between the devices, and both the sender and receiver follow the same protocol to communicate with each other. जे सेंटर और रिसीवर, सो दी जन जाक सेम प्रोटोकॉल तुमरा यूज करिवे, राइट? सेम प्रोटोकॉल नाले कम्युनिकेशन टा ठीक भाव रे परिबनी. सो प्रोटोकॉल डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटोकॉल्स कौन? प्रोटोकॉल्स आर एक्चुअली मेन फंक्शन कौन इन द कम्युनिकेशंस? इन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग. ओके, सो दीज आर द 5 components must required in the data communication, effective data communications. That is, first one is message, that is the message to be sent. Second one is sender, who sends the message. Third one is receiver, who receives the message. Fourth one is medium, through which the message can be sent. And fifth one is protocol, by which the message can be sent. Okay, so simply moi gote postal transaction la example nebi, tale postman hoji protocol, right? Postman hoji protocol, sender to janiyala, se je envelope re chithi re jauchi, that is called the what? Message. And sender, receiver, and medium. Medium means what? Road, either road rahu jemti postal transaction hobo suppose. Okay, so that is the main components. 5 components are required in a what means for a effective data communications. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is what? About the protocol. Next we will discuss about details about the protocols. So let us now discuss what are the performance of a protocol. So what are the different functions that are performed by the protocol? So functions of protocols. So first is what? First function is data sequencing. Data sequencing. So what is data sequencing? That is, it refers to breaking a long message into the smaller packets of fixed size, and data sequencing rules define the method of numbering packets to detect loss or duplicates of packets and to correctly identify. So that is the main function of data sequencing. So suppose आमर message रो length रा बहुत बड़ा अछि, तो first protocol काम कौन? Message टा को break करिवो into small components, right? Longer message टा को break करिवो into the shorter message. Suppose गोटे बड़ा message को 4टा भाग रे divide करिवो. एवं प्रति मेसेज को नंबरिंग करिवो राइट एवं सेही मेसेज को मेसेज सहित अटैच होइके अछि से ये सब डिटेल्स काम होची कोन डाटा सिक्वेन्सिंग समस्त नंबरिंग करिवो 1 2 3 ओके प्रति मेसेज को ग्रुप रे अछि so that all the activity belongs to your data sequencing. Okay, then next is what data routing. This is also another important functions of protocol. So data routing means what? That defines the most efficient path between the source and destination. कौन वे रे मोर डाटा गले फ्रॉम सेंडर टू रिसीवर इफेक्टिवली ठीक टाइम रे डाटा को पाई परिबो कि डाटा पहुँची पारिबो. सो दैट इज द मेन व्हाट डिसीजन मेड बाय द प्रोटोकॉल डिसाइड करिवो जे कोन रूट रे मोर मेसेजटा गले कोन रूटटा फ्री अछि डाटा को कैरी करिया पे फ्रॉम सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन एंड दैट कांसेप्ट इज नोन एज व्हाट राउटिंग डाटा राउटिंग. देन थर्ड वन इज डाटा फॉर्मेटिंग. Data formatting. What is data formatting? So data formatting rule defines which group of bits or characters within the packet constitute data, control, addressing and other informations. So सही वे से डाटा को कौन करियो फॉर्मेट करियो मींस कौन ग्रुप ऑफ बिट्स एंड कैरेक्टर विदिन द पैकेट कंस्टिट्यूट कौन ग्रुप रे कौन डाटा बिलोंग्स करछि ए सब जिनसटा डिसीजन केन हबो प्रोटोकॉल्स दैट इज कॉल्ड द डाटा फॉर्मेटिंग. Okay, next flow control. What is flow control? That is a communication protocol also prevents a fast sender from overwhelming a slow receiver. Okay, and suppose सेंडर और रिसीवर सेंडर जो कैपेसिटी सेंड कर डाटा को रिसीवर से कैपेसिटी डाटा को रिसीव कर पारनी तेणु सेटा को किए कंट्रोल करिवो प्रोटोकॉल से कौन करिवो से देखिबो जदि सेंडर फास्ट सेंडर अच्छी आ रिसीवर स्लो अच्छी ताले से कौन कर से रोड रे फ्लोटा को कंट्रोल करी नब जहाँ फल रिसीवर इफेक्टिवली डाटा को रिसीव कर पारियो एंड इट एनश्योर्स रिसोर्स शेयरिंग एंड प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट ट्रैफिक कंजेशन by regarding the flow of data on communications lines. Okay, ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करिवो एवं डाटा फ्लो टाको से कंट्रोल करिवो अकॉर्डिंग द कम्युनिकेशंस लाइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम टू एरर कंट्रोल. दिस इज also another important functions by the protocol. That is what these rules, it contains set of rules and that are designed to detect the errors in messages and to ensure transmission of correct messages. So in these categories of protocols, their task is what? To detect the errors and transmit or retransmit the correct message to the receiver. माने जदि मेसेज रे किछि एरर थिबो किछि डाटा किछि लॉस हे थिबो इन द ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम रे ताले विथ एरर मेसेज को रिसीवर केबे भी रिसीव करिवनी. तो वंस द एरर इज डिटेक्टेड मीन्स व्हाट अगेन द रिसीवर गोटे मेसेज पठेबो सेंडर को रिक्वेस्ट करिवो टू रिट्रांसमिट द मेसेजेस, राइट. सो दैट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ another main function of error control. Another is precedence and order of transmissions. Precedence and order of transmissions. So what is that? So this is also contains some rules that ensures that all the nodes get a chance to use the communications lines and the resources of the network based on the priorities assigned to them. Okay, kind of set the traffic means some protocols are there which contain some traffic rules. Okay, तो से केमिति वे सपोज समस्त एट ए टाइम जतले आमे कॉल करछे देखो नेटवर्क बिजी आस्तु ताने कोन से प्रायोरिटी बेसिस रे और फास्ट कम फास्ट सर्व बेसिस रे ताको से असाइन करिवो. सो प्रेसिडेंस एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज व्हाट? डाटा सिक्योरिटी. Data security, that is also another important functions of the protocol and it provides the data security and privacy to the communication medium or to the message, right. That is, it prevents access of data by unauthorized users. कई unauthorized users तक जो access न कर परिबे से provide टा से करे. That concept in data communication is cryptography methods. Later we will discuss in details cryptography. Cryptography is a methods in data communication that provides data security policies. In cryptography or in cryptography mechanism, some special protocols are used, right? Then another is what? Log informations. Log informations. So what is log informations? That is, several communication softwares are designed to develop log information, and which consist of all jobs and data communication tasks that have taken place, and such information may be used for charging the users of the network based on their uses of the network resources, right? So these all important functions of log information means कों user कों time रे login कला से सब log information सुना. It includes all the log informations of the networks. Okay, so these all important functions of a protocol. So in the communication medium, protocol is a means taken the important tasks to send the message from sender to receiver effectively. Okay, so actually the effectiveness depends on four fundamental characteristics of data communications. Effectiveness of the data communications depends on four characteristics. That is, first is delivery. आम केतबेले कहि परिबा जे डाटा कम्युनिकेशन टा हमर इफेक्टिव हैला. Delivery means what? The data must be delivered in correct order with correct destinations. Suppose sender 1 पठुची receiver 1 को, किंतु sender 1 रा डाटा टा यदि receiver 2 की receiver 3 को पहुंचला, so that is not the effective communications. So effective communication केतबेले हे परिबो जेतबेले delivery accurate sender to accurate receiver हमर डाटा टा जाई परिबो. Okay, and then next is accuracy. Okay, accuracy. Next characteristic is what? Accuracy. That is, the data must be delivered accurately. माने sender जेमिति वे डाटा टा पठेइची without error यदि डाटा टा रिसीवर पाखरे पहुंची पारुची, so that is called the data accuracy. ठीक डाटा टा मोर पहुंचीबा दरकार, नले डाटा कम्युनिकेशन ले किछि वैल्यू ही नै, राइट? Timeliness means what? The data must be delivered in a timely manner. Late delivered data is useless. Means the perfect time रे पहुंचबा दरकार, का नले डाटा कम्युनिकेशन रो वैल्यू किछि रहला. सपोज मु हेलो कहली, तुम यदि हाफ एन आवर पर हाय कहलो, ताले किछि वैल्यू रहबो कि? मु हेलो कहली, सडन तुमे हाय कहलो. तो ए जे डाटा कम्युनिकेशन लो कोन गैप टा गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड भितर हेबा दरकार, नले से डाटा टा यूजलेस हे जिवो. ओके, सो these are the main characteristics which make the data more effective in a data communications, right? So this is all about your data communications. In the next class we will be discussing what are the different transmission medium, or what are the different data communications, what is computer networking. So many things are there. So students, this is all about your today's class. Okay, and if you are having any suggestion, comments or any queries, then link is given. Please send your queries and suggestions. Thank you all.